Hello friends, welcome to BXP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In today's session, we are going to learn about how to import leads using the macro file provided by Oracle. Steps for download the macro for importing leads. Sign in to support.oracle.com, search for this article number. In details section, download the .jar file in macro file to the same directory on your desktop. Make sure Java is installed on your computer. Let's move on to the Oracle support website. This is the article number. Search for this article number. In detail section, download this jar file over here. And in this table, download the lead import macro file. Before you start, make sure the Excel file and .jar file you downloaded from here are in the same directory. You can see here, both files are in the same directory on desktop. Let's open it. Enable editing, click on that. Start with the attribute mapping. If you are importing additional field, including the custom field, then click on fetch attribute from server. Let's move on to the application. Let's copy the host name from the URL between the HTTP and the /, copy that and paste over here. Let's enter the username. Let's enter the password. Click on submit. Attribute refresh successfully. Okay. In empty row section in the worksheets, let's select the attribute name in the attribute name column. Let's select the attribute name you want to display as the column heading in the field lead worksheet. This name display only in the macro file. Click on update header, click OK. Let's take a look on lead worksheet. Update flag column added over here. Let's enter the lead information, lead number. Leave this required column blank. The macro generates the lead number automatically using the date and time. The application uses the lead number to identify the lead record for updates. Let's enter the lead name. Let's enter the account name, which we created in our previous video. Let's enter the contact full name. This is also we have created in our previous video. Let's enter the email. Let's enter the address. City, state, zip code, let's enter the entry, country, lead rank and lead channel. If you change the lead rank or the lead channel lookup type, enter the new value in the lead rank in the lead channel worksheet. Let's move on to the lead rank. Let's see here, We have a three option: hot, warm, and cool in the lead rank. We add one more in the lead rank. See, one value is entered. Same in the lead channel. Let's add one more. Move on the lead worksheet. Let's click on the create import activity. Click on submit. After submitting the activity, import activity, you can click on activity detail for monitor the import activity. The file import activity was submitted successfully. Click on OK. To monitor the import progress, click on activity detail. Click on refresh button. Click on refresh button again and again to change the status of import progress. You can see here the leads import process gets completed and the lead information gets inputted on the application. This is how you can import the lead using the macro file provided by Oracle. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.